Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Wednesday afternoon about, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. And
Yeah, we decided to do vlog outside because I get bored.
she get bored sitting at home, so we said, well, we'll go for a little walk and do a little walking vlog. We
Yeah,
are going to go down and visit with our,
old apartment.
uh, yeah, like the first place I ever came to when I came here a few years back. So we're going to take a walk down there and see what we can find in the neighborhood. It's been kind of rainy over the last 2-3 days. I think we have like a low pressure going on, and yesterday it rained all day long, and but anyway, this is Barangay Dukit right here, and we'll see like everywhere there's stores and sari stores and typical Filipino lifestyle. No watermelon, not now. Later, maybe.
Hey, sir.
All right. Yeah, so we're gonna walk down here and see. Now, this church here, is that Iglesia? Iglesia?
This is Iglesia.
So this is not a Catholic church then, right? Let's see if I can. It's kind of dark here. I don't know what happened to my camera, but sometimes it seems like it's not letting enough light in. Yeah, so we have little sari stores everywhere here. One pastime when you live here is, as you can see, dogs everywhere. Oh yeah, there you go. Iglesia ni Cristo. One of the largest churches here in the Philippines, I think, right?
Yeah.
It's a pretty big church. So, well, anyway, this is my old, or our old neighborhood, and we're gonna head down and see if we can walk by our old apartment. When we lived here, the roads were actually not even paved down here this way, if I remember. It's down here, right?
Yeah.
You can get to the London this way.
Yeah, it's
The London, we can get down to the London this way. And I but this is also bordering the home site, right?
the bordering home site and Dukit.
Home site, Dukit, border each other. Yeah, that's correct. All right, so it's been raining here, I bet you. I don't recognize myself here. A lot of things have changed in the last 5 years. Oh, am I walking too fast for you? Is it here?
Yeah.
Is this the London?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the London. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, things have changed so much, you know. These roads were not even paved when we lived here.
I think they cut some big trees over here also.
Yeah. It looks like they widened the street a little bit. Um, and we kept coming this way a lot of times
Yeah.
um, because on the other side of here, down this way to the right, there was a lot of what do you call it? Market. There's a market on the other side, and there was a bridge over there, but I think that bridge now has finally collapsed.
Our apartment is on that side.
Yeah, yeah, and
This way goes to market.
this is the way we go to market. But I
Yeah.
think the bridge has collapsed. There's no more bridge there now.
Yeah,
Right?
there is, but they made it by bamboo like that.
Bamboo bridge.
Yeah,
Ah,
but it's not very wide. It's like short bridge.
so
It's enough to
yeah. So
pass
this
people.
yeah. So anyway, this road was not even paved when we were here,
Yeah.
and that's why I'm a little confused on where the apartment actually is. But I think it's here, right?
Yeah, that's our apartment over there. So there's a lot of changes.
Yeah. This is the apartment right here, isn't it? Huh?
That's our old
Yeah.
That's our old apartment.
Yeah. No, no,
Hindi po, hindi po.
no. Yeah, so that's our old apartment. We lived in there. There's actually a 2-bedroom in there, and it's not too bad actually. And again, has gates. It's pretty secure. So we stayed here for how long? 2 years? 1 year? 2 years? 3 years. Well, you moved in there before I did. I really never moved here, to be honest with you. I was here visiting, but then how was that? August we got married, and September, October you moved over to Ilang Ilang, right?
Yeah.
That's when you. But this is how the roads looked.
Yeah, but that time that you didn't after we get married, I think I moved out.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. So a lot of things have changed here. Everything is paved up now, except a couple of side streets. A couple of side streets hasn't got to the mercy of concrete yet.
Yeah, similar to our street also.
Similar to our street.
Yeah, the only one street that didn't finish the road.
Yeah, that's true. There's one street they never finished. So, yeah. So this is the main. This is the main street down into Central Dukit down there, and we're not going to go there today. But
Just having a short.
we were just wanting a little short. What do you call it? Walk today, so we could figure out where we lived before. Anyway.
This is where Jima lived also before.
Oh yeah.
Her apartment.
In this apartment right here.
Yeah.
Your sister lived there. You lived there with her before we met, right?
No, I lived Roslyn apartment before.
Ah, yeah. Roslyn apartment. That's right. Yep. That's how they do it here. They come all together, sisters, brothers, and they rent apartments. And so we completed that circle. And that's a little short vlog, and that's it for today.
Yeah.
All right. But some people here, they really keep up their gardening nice
Yeah.
and everything. So that's what you see here. Amazes me a little bit. You see some houses, you know, they're about almost falling apart, and then next door you have a house
If
that
you
is
have-
really, really nice.
If you have a decent plot, you can plant any plant that you can.
Yeah, yeah, like here. Here they have decent gardening all the way on both sides. And kids play in the street with the dogs. With the dogs.
The only problem here is there's a lot of rascal dogs.
Huh?
Rascal.
Rascal?
Yeah, rascal.
What is that?
Rascal means just like that. You don't put it in a cage.
Oh, you mean dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. That's dogs everywhere. I wish they would do something about those, because that is not only a pain having to listen to all the barking,
Yeah.
but it's also creates some health issues, in my opinion. All right, guys, that'll be it for this short little walk,
Yeah.
and we
Exercise. Exercise.
see you at the next video. Share, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell, and God bless.